Got another card from Troll Village.
Oh, yay.
Thanks, Todd.
I'm Chad. He's Todd.
Yep, got it, Chad and Tad.
Ooh, look, Grissy. It's another card from Poppy.
Happy Catch Your Friend Day?
Ooh.
What if you drop her? I mean, we're not insured for that kind of thing.
I would never, ever drop Poppy. Never.
Whatevs, babe. The trolls have so many holidays. Too many holidays, if you ask me.
Well, I think it's kind of nice having so much to celebrate.
Hey, Bridgie, we do cool stuff, too. I mean, what about all those awesome cards we sent back to them, huh?